welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a soft glam eye makeup look today, and I'm going to be going in my masquerade palette from Juvia's Palace, and I'm going to be using this brown in this fluffy brush. And I'm going to focus that brown in the crease of my eye area, you guys. And I'm using that as, you know, a guide and a transition color, something close to my skin tone. And I'm just going to be applying that in the crease area of my eye. Add it more, and I'm going to focus it more in the middle of the crease area. And I'm just going in circular motions, going back and forth. As you can see, back and forth. I switched my brushes too, by the way. And then I'm going to just cut it like I'm tracing a C. So I'm going back in my crease. Then I'm going to go in with this other like reddish brown. And then I'm going to add that below my crease area onto like my eyelid. And then I'm going to go in with my soft glam palette and use that darker brown. I'm going to place that darker brown in the middle crease of my eye. I'm adding more just to build up the color. Blending out the brown. Then I'm going to go in and get the orange soda color out of my soft glam palette, and I'm going to take that above my crease area and blend out that harsh line from the brown that I put on the first time. Then I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance HD concealer, something a little lighter than my complexion. And then I'm just going to apply that with this Real Technique brush that I have. And I'm just patting it as you see. I'm going for a soft glam makeup eye look. Then I'm going in with this maroon, I don't know, reddish shimmery color. I don't know what color it is, but that's the color I'm going in. I'm applying that, working my way outside in. So, as you see. And I'm using a flat brush. Then I go in just to blend out that brown into the shimmer color a little more so it can give it a more smooth transition. Then I'm going to go in my masquerade palette and I'm going to add this lighter shade that you see me grab, and I'm going to add that in the inner corner of my eye. As you see me do. Then I'm blending the brown, then I'm going back in with the shimmer. So here, this is just your cleanup method. You're going to be doing a lot of back and forth to get the color payoff that you want, and to make it look nice and smooth. Forgive me guys if you guys hear any beats in the background. Where I live, they have beats all the freaking time. I'm gonna push pause. Okay, you guys, so here as you see me, I'm just blending in that brown, and then I'm blending out that harsh brown line at the very top. So it's just a lot of blending to give your eye the look that you're looking for. I have tape because I just wanted to guide everything. Then I went in to add that black to darken my look. The tape is for just a guidance, and I didn't want to have to clean up. So you can do this definitely without tape, but I wanted to use tape this time around. Then I'm going to go in with this reddish brown from the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette, and then I'm going to take that on top and just add that like on the outer corner as you see me doing, just blend it very well into the other colors. Then I'm going to go in with my Inglot black liner to line my eyelash line. Then I'm going to be going in with this shade brush, and I'm going to be applying that dark brown from the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette, I believe, and apply that at the bottom. And then I'm also going to add that black in the shade Noir from the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette, as you see. And this is the complete and finished look, you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm on Facebook and Instagram, SBE Aesthetics, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And please support me in my other videos.